April Harvey here from April's Crochet Creations. Today we're going to learn how to make a slip knot. Slip knots are used in crocheting to attach your yarn to your needle. It's the very first step in casting on and crocheting a chain, counting as the very first stitch. To begin, if you're a beginner, you want to use a larger needle to start off with. Once you master the basic stitches, then you can begin using the smaller needles. Today, I will be using a size K or a 6.5 millimeter needle. You can hold this needle just like you do when you're eating or using a spoon by placing your thumb on the flat part and wrapping your other fingers around, grasping a hold tightly, just like that. Or you can hold it just like you do when you're using a knife by placing your thumb on the flat part of the needle. Take your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger and wrapping around the needle and leaving your index finger out, resting on the side of it, like this. Now to make a slip knot, first you want to find the end of your yarn and you want to, in your left hand, you want to have your palm facing you. Take your ring finger and your pinky finger and you want to fold it down towards your palm, holding out and pointing with your index finger and middle finger. Take your end of your yarn. You want to wrap it around your index finger and middle finger. Bring it all the way around. When you get it all the way around, you want to make a cross. And it will look like this. Bring it around, make a cross. Take your thumb and hold it securely. Pick up your needle. And with the hook facing towards you, you want to go under this first piece of yarn right here. Go up underneath. And then you want to turn the hook down towards your finger and go over on top of the other piece, grabbing that back piece back here and pulling it through the loop while you're holding it securely, pulling the hoop off of your fingers, and you're making a knot. Once that knot gets there and you've got a loop around your hook, you want to just take and spread the yarn and tightly secure it around your needle like this. You want it tight enough it's not going to come off your needle, but loose enough that you can have it moving on your needle also. This is video 1 on how to make a slip knot. Thanks for watching.